testified before the House Ways and Means Committee's Subcommittee on Trade about forced labor in the Xinjiang region of China and how this connects to U.S. supply chains. The hearing takes place at the same time that there's growing attention to this issue around the world, and particularly in the U.S. and the U.S. Congress. And there's also some pending legislation that actually just got passed by the House of Representatives almost unanimously that would block goods from this region of China from coming into the U.S. at all. We discussed a range of policy options, and those included not only this potential ban on imports into the U.S. from this region due to forced labor concerns, but also the role of global Magnitsky sanctions and whether those could be levied on some of the Chinese companies directly involved in the situation, the potential role of multilateral institutions, the options to have better disclosure about whether U.S. financial institutions are invested in companies that are deeply embedded in creating the surveillance state there, and really a plethora of other potential tools that may be relevant. This has to be an all-of-the-above approach. Stability in Xinjiang is a top priority of the Chinese government, and while their approach to it may seem horrifying to us and grossly out of line with international human rights principles, getting them to change course will be very hard because of their focus on the region and the need for stability as a sort of North Star to their actions. For more of my testimony on this critical issue, visit csis.org.